Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Well, as you can see, I'm sitting in the engine bay, which means we do not have an engine for this car yet. But thanks to Maxpeedingrods.com, they've hooked us up with enough parts that we're going to be building us a 5.0 Roller GT40 engine to go down in this car. But enough of this, let's see the engine. And this right here is the engine that's going to be going under the hood of that car. And thanks to our sponsors at Maxpeedingrods.com, they supplied us with a lot of parts to convert a fuel injection 5 liter over to a carbureted for a hot rod we're building. Now I wanted to use an old school application in my 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback that we built from a box. So Maxpeedingrods.com hooked us up with everything we needed. Now you can go to the Maxpeedingrods website and get 10% off by using my code 1194video in the discount box right there at the bottom at checkout. Now this engine right here started life out as a 97 Ford Explorer motor. I went and picked it up for $400, drove it home, tore it down, and this is what we have today. So thanks to Maxpeedingrods, you're going to get to watch the fast play of taking this thing right here, cleaning it up, putting it together, and let's hear it run. I've got a Ford Racing F303 camshaft because when you crank it up, you want everybody to be able to hear you when you're sitting at a stoplight. So let's go ahead, throw it together, and hear it run. There it is. Now all of this right here is everything that we took off that engine. So basically all this modern stuff right here, we will not even need. So now you've seen that massive looking engine with all that overcrowded stuff, all this junk is now pulled off.
let's just see how fast it starts back up. Okay, well there it is. It cranked right up. I had an issue at first because the choke was staying closed. So I opened the choke up and boom, runs excellent. So very strong, it sounds excellent. So now it's time to start the next chapter. But I want to give a thanks to Maxpeedingrods.com for supplying me some parts to build this engine with and making this great video for everyone to see and some content for the channel. But until next time, guys, right there's it for the video. Sounds excellent. I love it. Now we're going to get the T5 ready to go behind this right here, and then it's going to be going down in our 67 Ford Mustang Fastback with bit from a box. So hit the subscribe button and notification bell. As soon as I do some more on that project, you'll be the first to get it. Till next time, catch you on the next video.